Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Good
How are you
morning.
all?
Good morning, ma'am.
We are good, ma'am. Also.
Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, what was the last thing we were doing? Not phonetics part, but other than phonetics, we were into.
Last time you were taught us phonetics, nothing else.
No, that is a different class. I think the remedial lab class where we're going to do phonetics. So, did I finished with communication cycle and all of that, right? SQ, EQ, IQ,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
KSA.
Yes,
Did I
ma'am.
finish?
Yes, ma'am. KSA. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we finished all of that. Okay, so let's have some kind of conversation today. First of all, for the some in the beginning. Now, you all know, right? I mean, we did speak about effective communication, but most importantly, that I first told you is that you need to respond back, right? When we are talking, like how you're doing it now. This was the first lesson, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, suppose you are in a situation where, say, you're waiting in the lounge. Say you're traveling somewhere, um, in a airport or somewhere where you meet strangers. Okay, so you're sitting and right in front of you, you have another person sitting in front of you. So, will you take the initiative to go and talk to that person? How many of you will do it? And how many of you will not do it?
I always do that.
Okay, so you go and ask, you go and talk, right? Even if the person is a stranger, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, at first, I observe him or her very carefully. After that, I decide that I should make a conversation or this type
Okay,
of
so
things.
you try and figure out if it's a good looking girl, then you will go and talk. If it's not
No,
so
no,
good
no, not
looking,
good looking.
not
It doesn't matter how he looks or how she looks. Looks doesn't matter. I think I actually noticed that characteristics. How good is he or her or she by character, and is it good or I
how will
actually
you judge
keenly
a
observe.
man?
I have a
Or,
question, ma'am. I have a question.
yes.
If I if I
Feel hesitant?
yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, আমি বাংলায় বলতে পারি?
What? Uh-huh.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি যদি কথাই না বলি মানে স্ট্রেঞ্জার মানে ওই মানুষটার সাথে, তো আমি কি করে বুঝবো মানে ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্সটা
Exactly.
কিরকম?
Yes, that's what I was asking, right? How do you judge a character of a person? So, you
Actually,
remember that.
at first I see his body language or behavior or something like that. Then I decide to make a conversation with him or her.
So, if you remember, we did that personality cycle, personality circle. Did I tell you that, right? The visual part, the vocal part, and the verbal
Yes,
part.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You remember that circle that I showed you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me let me see if I can take it out again. Wait, 1 minute. So, what about others? By the time I figure out that, what about others? What do you all do? Only two of them spoke, Nilanjan and Shomadeep. What about others? You all don't talk? What is it? What goes on in your mind?
Ma'am. Ma'am, at first I see how the other person talks with other people surrounding, and then I decide and talk with that person.
Often I am saying that you have to talk. Do you take the initiative? Suppose the other person is not talking to you. No one is talking to you. Then what do you do? Okay,
Then I just observe.
if I have to share the screen, I need the I need to be the host, right?
Ma'am,
So
please tell organizer to make you presenter.
can I have the organizer? Anybody here from the admin? Has anybody joined here from the admin? Should I say Tuhin sir? Just a second.
Subho sir is the organizer, maybe.
Is he there? What is his name?
Subho sir is the organizer, I think.
Shubha sir. Is he there? Shubha sir, are you there? Can anybody ping him? Can any one of you ping him?
Wait, I'm
Yes,
doing.
ma'am, wait 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. By the time you all are doing this, talking to Shubho sir, I'm asking about the rest of you. You all tell me, like, will you take the first question is, will you take the initiative to talk? তুমি কি ফার্স্টে কথা বলবে নাকি বসে থাকবে চুপ করে?
নো ম্যাম, কথা বলাই তো উচিত আগে।
No, uchit is I understand, but will you do that? That's okay. I know half
Yes
of
ma'am,
you.
at first talking with him or her, then
It is
আস্তে আস্তে
most of you are
সেশনটা
not
বাড়াতে
doing
হবে।
it. So most of you are not doing it, right? I want an answer from every one of you. Don't sit quietly and silently.
First time say hi and hello and hi, how are you? How এটা তো বলাই
Hi,
যেতে
how are
পারে।
you? বলা যেতে পারে. Okay. So suppose let's talk about a more realistic situation. You all have been to Beaberries, right? I mean,
Yes.
I understand 2020 was bad. Nobody married at that time. But before that, you all have been to marriage ceremonies, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Birthday party.
yesterday I am going my friend married.
Okay.
ম্যাম ওটা কি হবে
Yesterday,
বুঝতে পারছি না।
I went to my friend's marriage ceremony, right?
Yes ma'am,
This
yes
is
ma'am,
what
yes ma'am.
So এটা হবে I yesterday যেহেতু like it is যেটা চলে গেছে, right? So yesterday or day after tomorrow, or what is it like? মানে কালকের কথা বলছো, the coming কালকে or the কালকে which went?
ম্যাম গতকাল মানে আগের দিন।
Oh yeah, so you were right. Yesterday, you were right in that. Yesterday, I went to my friend's
Ma'am,
marriage ceremony.
I'm calling Subho sir, but he's not responding.
Let me see. I'll call Tuveen, sir. Let me see. Just a sec, okay? Okay, Tuhin sir is joining now. So once he joins, he's going to do that. Okay. So, I forgot who was talking. So yesterday I went, jeta English ta hobe, I went to my friend's marriage ceremony. Say it again.
Yesterday I went go my friend marriage ceremony.
No, went, go is the same thing, right? Go আর তিনটে
Go and
form
gone.
হচ্ছে go, went, gone, right? So তুমি তো গতকালের কথা বলছো, তো গতকাল তো হয়ে গেছে means you have to use a past tense. So you're saying yesterday I,
Past form of go.
what will happen? I went. ঠিক
Okay, okay.
বলেছো, ঠিকই বলেছো, just বলতে হবে I went
করছি ম্যাম
to my,
ম্যাডাম একটু ইন্টারাপ্ট করলাম গুড মর্নিং স্টুডেন্টস
yes,
Good morning, sir.
আচ্ছা
Good morning, sir.
আমি একটু হোস্ট যিনি আছেন তাকে বলছি ম্যাডামকে একটু আপনারা একটু মানে বানিয়ে দিন, হোস্ট বানিয়ে দিন, যাতে স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করতে পারেন। হ্যাঁ, একটু প্রেজেন্টার বানিয়ে দিন।
হ্যাঁ, thank you so much Tuhin sir.
হ্যাঁ, যিনি হোস্ট আছেন কাইন্ডলি একটু অলোকিতা ম্যামকে একটু বানিয়ে দিন, প্রেজেন্টার বানিয়ে দিন, যাতে উনি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারেন। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Okay, here we go. So this is the one I was talking about. But wait, let me finish what we were saying. Yes.
Ma'am, actually the screen has splitted. I'm requesting you to please turn off your camera, and in this way we will be able to see the whole screen. Actually the screen has splitted by you and your laptop screen.
Okay. I don't know what is going on. Oh wait, just a second. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It's okay. If we rotate our phone, there will be a one screen, that is your laptop screen.
Just a second. I don't know how to see. I'm not getting the whole thing. Wait.
Ma'am, that's not a big problem because ma'am কারণ ফোনটা যদি রোটেট করে নেওয়া হয় তবে প্রবলেম হবে না আর।
Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, that's
ma'am.
fine.
Is that okay? So you can see, you remember this one which I showed you, I told you about this? Did I tell you about this?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Are you sure? It's a
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's again recap a little bit. Okay, so this talks about your overall personality. Okay, so what happens, like এখন যেটা I was asking you all was, when you see a person, like if you go to a BA party or you go to a birthday ceremony, you go to any kind of a gathering in your family, or say Durga Puja, quite a very eventful thing in Kolkata. So you meet a lot of strangers, right? So how many of you take an effort to go and talk? Just, the break the ceiling, ice breaking, like where you take the first step. Suppose you're sitting with someone for a very long time, or maybe for 15 minutes, even the person is not looking at you, or is not quite showing any interest in you, but would you take that step to go and talk to that person? You went to a doctor's chamber, right? You sit there for quite a long time, say 15 minutes, 20 minutes in the queue. So do you take initiatives like that when you sit and then you ask and talk? তোমরা এরকম কিছু করো? Do you remember any incidents that you take the initiative or talk?
If the person wish to make conversation, then we will do that. But if not, then it doesn't mean.
This is what I'm saying. This is
Yes, ma'am.
all.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's
Yes, but you know what? You have to start initiating this process inside you. Like গাড়িটাকে এখানে চালু করতে হবে. You know, you all are sitting like a stopped engine here. Here you have to start the key of the conversation, key of your communication skill, key of your interpersonal skill, all starts from here. So this part that I'm talking about, this part, can you see this part, yellow part? The visual
Yes, ma'am.
part.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
therefore it's on 55%. So visually key hoy, it's like when you see a person, right? Nilanjan, when you were saying that I look at that person, character dekhe hai na, you cannot see a character, right? But what you can see, what do you see? When you see a person, একটা person কে যখন তুমি দেখো তখন কি দেখো? What do you see?
How the person behaves.
In sense, something like that.
Like
I see his body language and behavior. Then I draw a portrait of her of his or her characteristics in my mind.
okay, again, character, I don't know how come you all are jumping to a character. It is so difficult.
Actually I draw, ma'am, actually I draw in my mind.
একটা image create করো, right? Looking at that person, that's what you're trying to say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
মনে মনে একটা image create করো, right? So yes, so of course body language, eye contact, facial expressions, the way the person is dressed, the way the person is makes you feel comfortable. অনেক সময়, you know, you look at a person who has a very firm, একটু রাগি রাগি face হওয়া থাকে, you will, do you want to talk to such aunties around your house? আমার পাশে একটা দুটো আন্টি এরকম থাকতো who had a very serious face and they used to not smile, they used to be like wearing specs and they used to be like looked very difficult, right? So তাদেরকে আমার good morning বলতে একটু ভয় ভয় লাগতো, এরকম আছে তো, right? Like you have some examples like
Yes,
that
ma'am.
around.
When I see them, then I think that see maybe
Yes.
anger women or something
Yes.
like that.
Yeah, they're like not approachable kinds, right? Again, you will have some kind of didi or dada who would may not be talking to you every day, pass through you every day, and probably you feel like, okay, kotha bola jete pare. Am I right? How does that
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
happen? This is called the visual part, like something when you look at a person. Like I remember in my school days, there were, you know, boys, usually we were in co-ed, so the boys with, sorry, so the boys with the dirty sleeves and with dirty you know, dress, they, if I used to look, I used to think that they are not in the good boy category, right? And similarly for the boys, I'm sure when they used to look at the girls with you know, neatly dressed, studying properly, answering the teacher always confidently, used to think that she's a good girl, category of good girl. Even before you start talking,
Yes, ma'am.
you're creating an image, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This part, that is called the visual part, right? The way you dress up, the way you look, the way you smile, this is the first communication. That's the first way you connect with people. This part, now imagine this part is 55% of your personality, which means if you do not talk, you're still making an image, you're creating an image. Like who said that? Shomadip, you said that, right? আমি একটা কি portrait বানাচ্ছি and all that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is what that thing is, that 55%. So now you understand, right, how you have to behave, like behave in the sense
Yes,
your
ma'am.
gesture. It's not the
Yes, ma'am.
actual behavior, it's the gesture, it's the warmth, it's the feeling that you give, the comfort zone that you're giving to the other person. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, so this part, this is what we call, now after this, etar pore section you go to the vocal, right? Then comes your vocal. What is your vocals? Vocal mane ki?
talking.
Talking, voice, talking.
Yes. Now here when you're talking, that means your vocal cords, right? Jeta tomar golar awaj shor. So anything. So dekhar pore, then you feel first is তুমি দেখছো একটা মানুষকে দেখে তাকে তোমার মনে হচ্ছে he's approachable. Okay, the good look part was just a joke, okay? That was a joke. So basically, of course, good looking hole to তোমরা তো পুরো চেষ্টাই করবে কথা বলতে, right? That is no doubt.
Actually,
Anybody
ma'am,
would.
looks doesn't matter.
Oh, really? Shomadip, come on. Okay, it's okay. I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
But then it's okay.
And actually,
So all
look doesn't matter. If anything there is, that matters only his personality, not looks.
exactly. Yes,
Yes,
it's an
ma'am.
overall. It's an overall thing, right? So God has made everybody nicely. All you have to do is keep yourself intact, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The point here, I was just joking there that way anyway. But all I'm trying to tell you is first thing আমরা যেটা হয় যে আমরা দেখি আগে. So দেখার পর দেখা in the sense like you see a person who is either with nice face, in the sense like he's giving you a comfort feeling, not like a serious face. There are sometimes if somebody doesn't like something, they give you a tough look, right? রাগী লোক হলো
Yes, sir. Yes.
বা কিছু পছন্দ হয়নি ওরকম একটা look দিল. So I'm talking about a soothing
Ma'am,
look. I'm talking
actually, looks matters when it calls first impression.
Yeah, the first impression. So look here, I mean, you're well dressed, appropriately dressed. Well dressed in the sense appropriately dressed. Now, for example, যেরকম if you're going to suppose you're going to interview তে যাচ্ছ, so obviously একটা de-stressed jeans and a leather jacket and spiked চুল এরকম করে তো নিশ্চয়ই যাবে না, right?
ম্যাম সৌম্যদীপ যেটা বললো ম্যাম যে গুড লুকিংটা ম্যাটার করে না, বাট কেউ যদি একটু পারফেক্টলি ড্রেস করে আসে তো তার দিকেই আগে সবার চোখটা যাবে।
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am,
The
looks
well
means
dressed
overall
doesn't
look.
mean that
Overall
he
look,
looks
not,
good.
Yes, he looks good. Overall look.
Yes, overall. And you should
We
always
are no
take care
one
of.
to judge someone to if she is or if he is looking good or not. We are no one.
Yes, no, we should basically make sure that we are appropriately dressed. Appropriately dressed, what I mean is you know what to wear and where to wear what, right?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
a very important factor because nowadays everybody has the ability, capacity of making themselves presentable. It's a very simple thing. Like for example, you are
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to give an example.
sure, Shomadip, say it.
Ma'am, America, America's retired president Barack Obama is Barack Obama. We respect Barack Obama because of his overall looks and his personality, not his cute or not his body color.
Everyone, correct.
Yes.
Like America, everybody has a very strong sense of dressing, in the sense like usually they are all into formal dressing, okay, and they do not have a lot of color choice. Like they're mostly into black, browns, whites, gray, beige. Like when I went from India, suddenly the world turned into black and white, because most of them they wear subtle colors like black and whites and browns and beige. So all these are the I think it's a trend that has been there. Similarly, like here, when we go to an interview, we are said like, will this look good? Your shoes are polished, your hair is cut properly, your nails are done properly, your personal hygiene has been taken care of. So all these factors play an important role in your visual aspect. Now, for example, I'll give you a simple example. Like if you go to a restaurant, a standard restaurant that we go nowadays, and if you ask for say a pancake or a say any continent, any dish, if they garnish it and they give it to you, right, in a nice proper way, right? The service industry has
Yes, ma'am.
gone up really nice, right? How they present to you. If it has been scatteredly presented to you, will you like it? Now
Definitely
you
not,
will
ma'am.
not, right? Like I remember 10 years back also, it was still okay. But today, probably we all have got the taste and idea of a different, lifestyle, or you say a different way. Even at home, when you cook something, sometimes you garnish with, say, the coriander leaf, or say a parsley leaf, or something, right? Some
Yes,
sauce,
ma'am.
something. Even when you make nowadays in the coffee shop, they make so many things through those syrups, and right, the cappuccinos they make. So
Yes,
why?
ma'am.
This is all about presentation. It's about the look. The first thing, that the major part যেটা আমাদের মানে absorb হচ্ছে, ওটা হচ্ছে দেখে ফার্স্ট কি একটা খাবারকে ফার্স্টে আমার দেখে মনে হবে যে খাই খাই, right? Then comes the
Yes, ma'am.
taste. Of course, the other things also come. But all I'm trying to tell you is like, attract ki kore korcho first. How you're attracting your audience is the same way with you also. How you're attracting the other person to come and talk to you by the right approach, by the right presentation, by the right way you look at yourself. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. You are absolutely right.
In,
You are right.
Kolkata, it's very difficult, but if you move to places like Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, all the places, you'll see a lot of people, even at when they are going to work, they all are like quite what do I say, appropriately dressed. Well, in Kolkata, it's sometimes easier, especially from the service industry. You'll see that they have quite a knowledge of their, presenting themselves, because they are into service industry. But again, each one of you will be working somewhere or the other with your clients, with your people, where you will also be providing some kind of service. So ultimately, you will be also, requested to be presentable if you are not. Right? HR এর কাজ তো অনেকটা ওখানেও যান. So here, so that's what I'm saying, that this part, the visual part, plays a big role. It plays a very big role in a person's personality. So much before you start talking, এখানে তো কথা বলারও দরকার হয় না. Your first impression is this. This is your first impression. This is your hit the target. Then comes your vocal part.
Yes.
Vocal part is your confidence. Well, let me tell you how. Confidence, because your vocal consists of your vocal cords, your tone, your diction, the way you're saying it, and the audibility. Today we were talking about, so okay, you remember in school, if a teacher asks a question which some of you know, say 3 people or 4 people knew, the whole class is all excited, ma'am, can I say please? And then with the full volume of your pitch, they say the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
হয়তো যেরকম একটা কোয়েশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করা হলো, তুমি জানছো আনসারটা, তখন সবচেয়ে প্রথমে জোরে আওয়াজে বলার চেষ্টা করো কিনা, সবার আগে বলার জন্য,
Yes, ma'am.
রাইট? Well, why? Because your confidence is directly linked to your audibility. Again, the same thing, যেটার আনসার ভালো করে জানো না তখন একটু আওয়াজটা একটু নিচে হয়ে যায় না?
Yes, ma'am, for low confidence.
Yes, because of low confidence. So your audibility, like if you're confident enough, your confidence is shown through your volume. Volume. Audibility means, how many of you understand the meaning of audibility? Audible?
ম্যাম
Yes,
অডিবল
ma'am.
মানে শোনা।
শোনা, correct. Sound, ভলিউমটা, যে গলার স্বরের যে ভলিউমটাকে we call as audible, right? তাই জন্য when I say
Yes.
like if you are confident, see your audibility will be good. মানে তুমি confident যখন থাকছো তখন তোমার ভয়েসটা, ভলিউমটা একদম ভালো থাকছে, appropriate থাকছে, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then comes, you know, the diction, jeta, like we were working on phonetics, right? So all of us, we all come from different backgrounds. Amader shobar ekta bhasha ache, South Indians der ekta bhasha ache, UP der ekta bhasha ache, Bihar der ekta bhasha ache, Bengali der ache. So everybody now cannot have their own kind of English. That is why there is, and there is kind of what do I say, ekta effect theke jay. So that is called MTI, that is mother tongue influence. So MTI take remove করার জন্য we generally you know, work on the phonetics, like that day when I was telling you all, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Like how to pronounce short
Yes, ma'am.
vowel sound, let, set, get, remember? And not say
Yes,
it like
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
get, get, not to talk like that. Again, you know, some people,
Yes.
the Chennai people, they would say let. They have a problem with their LH, TH, you know, they cannot say Alokita, they will say Alokita, tha, and you know, they have this typical accent problem. So everybody has this MTI, especially because India being so diverse. Not only that, no, and don't be surprised, don't think that, you know, you are the only one. There are so many people even in you know, abroad. A lot of people have the Spanish accent, a lot of them has like an Italian accent, so their accents are different. So all we try to do is we try to make a kind of a global way of pronouncing a word so that it is understood by almost all the region. You getting? So diction
Yes,
plays
ma'am.
an important role. Then comes your way of saying it. Like, you know, how, like this in a call, when we cannot see each other, we can only hear the voice. And say, I say, good morning, everyone. And I say, good morning, everybody. And I say, good morning, everyone. So different mood swings through your way of saying it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are like the things. Wait, I want to, okay, how to stop sharing? Can you all tell me how to stop sharing? Okay, let's see.
ম্যাম আই থিঙ্ক ইয়েস ইয়েস
Yeah. Okay, so here, so I will give you is there a chat here? You all can see the chat thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, where did it go? Okay. Okay, now read this. How will you read this?
Yes,
God
ma'am.
is now here.
Okay. Who said that? Nilanjan.
Yes.
Anybody else who wants to read
Ma'am,
this?
God is nowhere.
God is?
Nowhere.
See? দুজনে দুরকম করে পড়লো। একজন
No,
বললো
actually,
God is now.
I didn't. Actually, ma'am, I didn't notice that carefully. I just told very casually.
It's okay. This is what I wanted to make you understand. And abruptly you both
Yes, ma'am.
said
Yes,
it
ma'am.
in. So if you pause, saying that God is now here, the meaning ta change ho jache, and you say God is nowhere, then the meaning changes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who's going to read this?
Women without her man is nothing.
Now, you have to read it with the right pauses and everything. Okay, any girl? Girl? Anyone who wants to read this?
Woman without her man is nothing.
So she paused after man, right? যেটা পড়লে হলো woman without her man is this is what you read, right?
Yes,
এটার
yes.
মানেটা কি হচ্ছে?
ম্যাম এর ওম্যান উইদাউট হার ম্যান, মহিলা পুরুষ ছাড়া ইজ নাথিং। নাথিং মানে তো না, মানে ম্যাম আমি গুছিয়ে বলতে পারছি না।
Anybody else who can say the meaning?
মহিলা পুরুষ ছাড়া তো কিছুই নয়। মহিলারা মানে তার স্বামী ছাড়া কিছুই নয়।
Exactly. Okay. Now এটার আমি মিনিংটা চেঞ্জ করে দিই।
ম্যাম এটা হতে পারে আরেকটা ভাবে women without her man is nothing.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, I wrote that. See, woman without her man is nothing. এটার মানে কি হলো?
মানে মহিলা ছাড়া পুরুষ সম্ভব না।
Exactly. Man is nothing. So you see, with this pauses and কিভাবে আমরা কথাটা বলবো?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, you wrote wrong. That omnipresent you have written. That is omnipresent. It would be.
Yeah, I think it will be omni present. Correct. এটা কেউ ভুল
Yes,
লিখেছে। That's okay. We understood the meaning, but that will be omnipresent. But good, Shomo. Yes, God is omnipresent. I believe in God. You all believe in God.
Omnipresent মানে ম্যাম? ম্যাম omnipresent মানে?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Okay. So যেটা বলার চেষ্টা করছি আমি, man and women depends on each other. Okay, we are not talking about that. We are not talking about the argument. Shomo.
Hello?
Yes.
বলছি ওমেন ইজ নট রেসপেক্ট বাট বয় ইজ নট রেসপেক্ট, মানে বলতে চাইছি মেয়েদের রেসপেক্ট না করলে ছেলেরও রেসপেক্ট পাবে না।
Okay, we are not in a discussion, an argument of who is more.
We need each other to keep going that.
Yes, we need each other to keep going. Okay, we'll do a group discussion on this. I see like you all did not like the topic, but the point here was not to underestimate anybody. All I was trying here, এখানে আমি কাউকে বড় ছোট করার জন্য বলছি না, it was just a way of telling you that particular জায়গায় pause করলে কখনো কখনো মিনিং গুলো চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়। যখন আমি বলি that the world is beautiful, আমি beautiful স্ট্রেস করলাম because I want to say that part of beautiful. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like you remember in school, when used to any teacher used to come, used to say good morning ma'am, করে আমরা একটা গান গাইতাম, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
for that was like kind of tone, right? And we used to love doing it, and with everybody had their own volumes, কেউ খুব জোরে গাইছে, কেউ কম জোরে গাইছে, আবার খুব ভালো টিচার না লাগলে খুব জোরে গাওয়া হতো না, like okay, good morning ma'am, like you came. So all I'm trying to say is that the vocal cords play an important role again in making a person what you are or how you're talking. Okay, so rest of you please বোঝার চেষ্টা করো, আমরা এখানে we were not discussing about the topic, we were trying to tell you that personality সঙ্গে যখন একটা personality আমরা দেখি তখন আমরা কিভাবে ওটাতে attract হয় বা how to make an impact, how you're trying to make an impact. So basically তখন what are the things you have to take care, like tomorrow you'll all start going to colleges. I mean, I'll also come to the colleges and I'm going to look at you not only inside the class but also every time you're carrying yourself in front of me, every time, because এটা তো হতে পারে না, right, যে আমি একটা particular জায়গায় গিয়ে I will be the person যেরকম বলা হয়েছে ওরকম তো হতে পারে না, it has to be a complete procedure, right? কোন থিয়েটার তো হচ্ছে না,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Like একটা particular stage এ গিয়ে আমি শুধু ওরকম করে enact করব, it is your own personality. That is why henceforth এখন থেকে whenever you're carrying yourself, whether it is in your college, at your home, in your friend's house, family gatherings, you will have to make sure that what are the things that you are not doing and what are the things you should do, now that you have got a little more aware of these things. Am I right? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The
Understood.
vocal part is 38%. Now imagine 55%, 38%. মানে এইটুকু করেই, more than 90% of your making an impact is done. Then imagine half of you when you say that, oh, আমি তো ইংলিশ ভালো করে পারি না, পারছি না বলতে, তো বাকি জিনিসটা তো করো, do the rest of the 90%. And the last part, that is the 7%, is basically the language, actual language usage, the English. So if you learn a little bit of your English, you can pull it up with your personality. Are you understanding? Are you all getting any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. ম্যাম, আমার একটা প্রশ্ন ছিল ম্যাম, আমরা যে ভিজুয়ালটাকে 55% বলছি ম্যাম, কারুর তো ভিজুয়ালে মানে দেখতে কেমন সেই অনুযায়ী তো ম্যাম তাকে 55% ওটা অনেকটা বেশি হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কারণ অনেকে লো ভিজুয়াল হলেও তার মধ্যে কিন্তু ম্যাম অনেক গুণ থাকে।
No, you're not understanding. The visual part is not the looks, okay? It is not like তার চোখ সুন্দর হচ্ছে না, তার রং ফর্সা হচ্ছে নাকি, it's not about that look. It is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
about,
We are saying about overall looks.
it is about, a person with a soothing personality, the sense like, এরকম অনেক লোক রাস্তায় থাকে, if you look at them, that they smile at you, or they suppose you're traveling in a bus and you're standing for a long, for that person would stand up and give the seat. I don't know whether it happens or not, but I'm just saying in general. I'm not talking about the look in the sense like that style ব্যাপারটা. I'm not talking about the fashion. I'm not talking about the what makeup that person is using. Not about that look. The look that makes you comfortable with the other person. Okay, I'm sure there are a lot of people, we all are not racist, right? Amar forsha kalo wrong, skin,
Yes,
of
ma'am.
course,
Yes.
skin color, there is a kind
Yes,
of
ma'am.
racial,
Skin color doesn't matter.
Ma'am,
um,
actually, this skin color discrimination is actually nowadays is become a serious crime.
but you know what, I'll tell you, like it is like if you stay, I stayed in North America for so many years. I mean, skin color definitely is a kind of racial discrimination, but then considering the fact that we all come in brown, right? Our skin tone is brown, so we are all Asians are basically the brown skin tone. So it doesn't matter brown er kon point of color e ami achi ba nei, right? Like how the Africans are usually called as blacks. Right? But there are very beautiful people there too. They're like, if you like Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, like they're my favorites, especially Michelle Obama. If you see her talk, if you see her, the personality that she carries, so nobody considers that skin
Yes, ma'am.
color.
Yes, ma'am.
The skin color doesn't matter. We do not live in those generation, right? We don't live in those generation where people would discriminate depending on the skin color. I don't think so anybody does it today. No one does it. And then
No,
for us,
ma'am, no, ma'am.
we all are brown skinned people. I mean, এখানে তো কোনো discrimination এর ব্যাপারই নেই because everybody is Indian, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
the skin tone doesn't really matter. In fact, skin tone for some people, it's like for me, my personal view, like I love a little copperish skin tone. Like for me, that is something that is kind of beauty for me. I do not like a very fair person. And everybody can have their own personal choices, but that doesn't mean
Yes,
that
ma'am.
somebody's a little more darker or more fairer, I will not like that person. It doesn't depend on that. You know what I'm saying? It
Yes, ma'am.
depends
Yes.
on how the person would come to you, talk to you, generalize, saying like, hello ma'am, how are you doing? How was your weekend? I heard that you were not doing well. Are you fine now? So I've been trying to do this for a very long time. আমি করে উঠতে পারছি না. How do you think I should carry myself? So that's what I'm expecting from you all. That's what I'm expecting, because I'm also trying to consult you, right? একটা ডক্টরের কাছে তোমরা কনসালটেশনের জন্য যাও যে এটা আমার প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, আমার এরকম এরকম অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, আমাকে একটু এবার বলুন what should I do? Now every solution might not work with everyone, right? Now suppose আমি তোমাদেরকে পড়াচ্ছি say problem solving. So I give you like, okay, these are the 5 techniques that you will go through. It's a tool. Tool is like a kind of a weapon. যেটা আমি তোমাকে বলছি, like when you are very angry, like in yoga and all they say, right? When you are very angry, just keep quiet, take a deep breath, count from 10 to, these are the kind of solutions. So 80% might work, but again 20% people might not work with that. কেন ওরা চুপ করে ওই সময় রেস্টোর করতে পারছে না, হতেই পারে, রাইট?
Yes, ma'am.
You all are listening, right? Or you all fell to sleep?
No, ma'am, we are listening.
Okay, so this is what I'm trying to tell you, that personality, that I did not mean, that was a joke when I said a good looking girl. But a good looking girl can be anybody, right? It cannot really be just the face, or it can be anything all over, right? All I meant is here is about the right way to present yourself in particular situations. Like if you go to your workplace, when you go to an interview, of course, again, when you go to like I told this earlier also, if you go to a marriage ceremony, obviously you'll not wear, unless the formal is quite a little bit of semi-formal. You will not wear a tie and formal pants in a disc,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Similarly, like you need to know what you're wearing. Correct? In your marriage, you will not wear a pajama and a t-shirt and go. Right? You will not wear a bedroom dress outside. Similarly,
Yes, ma'am.
it's like you need to be appropriately dressed so that you know that you're carrying yourself properly, so that you can make an impact. Right? So suppose if a person has only 3 shirts, then also that person can wash one shirt, iron it properly, wear it. Not necessarily let that a person who has 10 shirts but always wears a dirty, creased shirt. Correct? So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
depends on the personality. It depends on that person. ওই মানুষটার উপরে depend করছে যে মানুষটা নিজেকে কিভাবে present করবে, and that needs a lot of self management. This is called self management or self management skills, self discipline. It also is a lot to do with your physical health. Like in America, they put like 80% of their effort in making sure that the child is physically fit and well built, so that the schools, the teachers, they have a huge role in making sure what they eat, and they are being, from class 1, they start making them do running and push-ups and everything, so that because they believe if you're physically fit, only then you're mentally fit. So এই ট্রেন্ডটা এখানের ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজে আনা হচ্ছে, because এটা দেখা গেছে like a lot of Indian workers, like they get fat, they don't maintain their health, there is a lot of ailment, মানে অনেক diseases হয়ে যাচ্ছে, যার জন্য there's a lot of leaves, there's a lot of health constraints, কাজ করতে পারছেন না, a lot of laziness is cropping up. So that is why physically also, so that is why we stress. So when you look at a fit person and you look at a not so fit person, so you have different kind of images that you create in your mind, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Healthy person ke tumi dekhcho, so that person gives you good vibes, positive vibes. Then you're looking at a person who is ailing, right?
Yes, I'm right.
Again, that also consists in your visual. While you're getting what I'm saying?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, অল্প অল্প বুঝতে পারছি।
So এই জন্য খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে যে নিজেকে কিভাবে ক্যারি করবে সেটা তোমাকেই ডিসাইড করতে হবে। Okay, so from today onwards, you gotta make sure that whatever you present yourself in a way which is where you don't you think you want to look smarter and confident person when you go to
Yes, ma'am. Everyone wants. Everyone
wants, right? You don't want to be one of them who's like, oh, look at her, she doesn't know how to dress, or tomar manager bolbe je, can you please take care of your health or your your gestures or your attire, সুন্দর ভাবে বলবে, but why will you want to do that, right? So I want to see each one of you coming out like sharp, smart, confident people, right? And you're not going to dishearten me. Eto log ache, 62 people, why is only one person talking, and what is the problem in even responding when we also, I told you that, right, in the first class, like if you do not talk, there is no point coming to the class. Why are you all not talking? Yes, no bolte to lage na.
I think she or he are scared.
Yes ma'am, we are listening.
ম্যাম এটা আমি বলতে পারছি না ম্যাম, অনেকগুলো তো বলছে তাই জন্য আমি রেসপন্স করছি না, তাই জন্য সরি
you
ম্যাম,
have
এটা আপনি কনফিউশন তে রয়েছেন, ঠিক আছে না? তো আমি তো বলতে চাইছি, লেকিন অনেকজন বলছে তাই জন্য আমি বলতে চাই, সবগুলোটা আনসার তো পেয়ে যাচ্ছি তাই জন্য বলতে পারছি না।
Nah, you should always respond. Even then you should respond. Because respond করার মানেটা হচ্ছে তোমার visibility তুমি বাড়াচ্ছো। আমি এখানে নাম দেখতে পাচ্ছি। So if I see the names, I know that okay, this person is responding. মানে তোমার ability আছে। I will have the names. আমার সবার নাম লেখা আছে। I know who's talking, who's not talking. So the day I go and see you in the college, I can actually pick you up and tell that, you know, why weren't you talking?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. You are right, ma'am. Thank you.
So we all need to talk more. You're gonna come and tell me your issues next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Soon. And always you know, utter the words that I told you how to. একটু practice করো, একটু চেষ্টা করো, ঠিক হয়ে যাবে। You know, when you all smartly
ম্যাম যদি
ভালো লাগে।
রোজ আপনার ক্লাস থাকে তো ম্যাম আস্তে আস্তে বলতে বলতে ঠিক হয়ে যাবে।
Exactly.
ম্যাম হেজিটেশনটা যে আছে না, অনেকগুলোটা আছে, সবাই মধ্যে, ঠিক আছে, লেকিন ওটা কম করা যেতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? তো তাই জন্য তো ওটাই আপনি করাচ্ছেন, তো সব না বললে তো এটা হতে পারবে না।
Exactly. Now, so what we'll do in the next class, we'll also pick up some topics. Every one of you, whatever English you know, I will help you. I'll help you with your English, okay? English is not the problem. And I think I told this thousands and thousands of times. English
Yes.
is not the problem. The problem is your attitude. যে তোমাদের বলার ইনিশিয়েটিভটা, ইচ্ছাটা is important. খেলনা তো हम सिखाई देंगे, but you actually have to come to the ground to play. Right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We should have that courage. We should have that confidence.
Yes. So whatever fear, come and tell me. Tell me you have my number. Ask your teachers to arrange some more classes. You want to sit with me, you know, but go do that. Do that right today. Don't wait.
ম্যাম একটা আমার আইডিয়া আছে, মানে নেক্সট ক্লাসে যা সবগুলো আসবে তো সব নিজেগুলো ইন্ট্রোডিউস করলে ভালো হবে, আপনিও বুঝতে পারবেন।
Yeah, we'll do that.
বুঝতে পারবেন কে অ্যাক্টিভ আছে কে ইনঅ্যাক্টিভ আছে।
Correct. Yes, I'll have the names also. Okay. Then we'll ask for a 1.5 hours class that day.
ইয়েস ম্যাম, টুমরো যে ক্লাসটা আপনার থাকবে তো সবাই ইন্ট্রোডাকশন ইয়োরসেলফ।
হ্যাঁ, yes ma'am.
Actually, we should do this. Like, seriously, we should do this. Everyone should give the introduction. It would be a better thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next day we'll do that. Okay. So I'll see you next day.
Okay, ma'am.
Some more enthusiastic voices and some more knowing of you. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a great
Thank you,
day.
ma'am.
Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Have a great day. You too. Bye then.
Thanks, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
great day.
Bye bye.